When taking Acidophilus Chewable Tablet, follow the instructions on the label to see if it should be taken with food or liquids. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are using this product for diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not use for more than 2 days or if you have a high fever unless directed by your doctor. If your condition lasts or gets worse or you think you may have a serious medical problem, get medical help right away. If you experience an increase in stomach gas while taking this medication, it usually goes away with continued treatment. If this effect persists or worsens, notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Contact your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of infection, such as high fever, chills. A very serious allergic reaction to this product is rare. However, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, dizziness, trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Acidophilus Chewable Tablet, it is important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you are allergic to it, milk/lactose products, or if you have any other allergies. This is because the product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. It is best to talk to your pharmacist for more details. It is also important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this product, especially if you have had diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, especially if you also have a high fever, a weakened immune system, such as due to chemotherapy, HIV infection, other stomach problems, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections. Additionally, before having surgery, it is important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Lastly, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is important to tell your doctor before using this product. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Acidophilus Chewable Tablet. Certain medications may interact with Acidophilus, affecting their effectiveness or increasing the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Remember, it's important not to share this product with anyone else. This can help prevent any potential risks or side effects for others. If you forget to take a dose of Acidophilus Chewable Tablet, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Be sure to check the storage instructions on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Avoid storing in the bathroom and keep out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it down the drain unless instructed. Properly dispose of this product when it expires or is no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.